Chevy Silverado 1500 LS 2001 oil change. So we're gonna get down under here and we're gonna have something to drain your oil in and get it kind of close to where it's gonna come out at. Loosen up your screw. It's probably around a 15 millimeter. Let her drain out. And you have to move, depending on what you're draining it in, move it in a little bit as you go. And then you get yourself a nice handy dandy tool here. It grabs the oil filter. You want to loosen that up. When you put it back on, you just want to put it on by hand, as tight as you can by hand, but not with this thing, because then you'll have a hell of a time getting it back off. Of course, you want to get your oil set up to where it's coming out. So you just cracked it to where all the oil's coming out. And then after you get the plug in, your new filter in, you put some like 5 quarts or 6 quarts in, whatever it holds. You want to fire up the engine, make sure there's no leaks, and shut the engine off. Go check it again. You might have to add more depending on, your vehicle. That's something I like to do with the oil filter. First, you'll clean your hands off. Take your oil filter. Sorry about the workbench. But take your oil filter, and then you'll want to get some nice clean oil on your finger and go around your seal. That way it gets a good seal when you put it back on. And you also want to check and make sure that seal on the old filter didn't come off and be sticking up there, because you don't want 2 seals on there. You just want that one. So coming back to oil, it's about drained out, but you can let her till it completely stops, and then you can put your new filter on and your drain plug back on. Make sure you don't over tighten anything, because you don't want nothing to get stripped out. It's probably a good time to check your grease fittings while you're under the truck.